Hey guys, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can update Opensea's application on your Android device. This is going to be a short tutorial, so make sure you watch this till the end. And let's get straight into the video. To update your Opensea's application, head over to the Play Store. And in the search bar, type in Opensea. If you don't see an option for update, then that means your application does not have any new updates. But if you see an update button instead of the open button, then make sure that you update the application of Opensea. Simply tap on update and updates will start to download on your device. So that's how easily you can update Opensea's application on your Android device. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.